these parrots aren't actually kissing, they're doing something crucial for their survival, because as they lock beaks and tilt their heads, the male is actually bringing food back up from his throat. As he rapidly shakes his head, he triggers a reflex that pumps softened nuts and seeds from his crop, which is a storage sac at the base of his neck, so the nutrient-rich mixture can slide directly into the female's mouth, allowing her to stay full while she protects their eggs, and to eventually use that same method to feed the chicks once they hatch in the wild. But if they don't have a bird companion, they might choose you instead, because lonely pet parrots often direct this instinct at their owners to show affection. So if he starts bobbing his head at your finger, he's actually trying to vomit on you as a sign of true love.